guys, today I want to show you my customized keyboard which I designed entirely in 3D, then CNC machined it, and finished with two-tone anodine, looking bare and chocolate brown. To add some unique highlight, I engraved my name on the back, include two gunplay decorative bar on the side. Similarly, the bottom also features a gunplay name tag. Overall, the keyboard features a harmonious combination of gold, beige, and chocolate brown,